Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make a Mad Matter video. But first, before I start, I just want to say Happy Halloween! I hope you're decorating your house, trick-or-treating with your parents, and give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. But first we need my Mad Matter. This I got the color blue Mad Matter, so let's open it up. Let's take this out. Here's the giant blue Mad Matter. Okay, first I'm going to set this aside. I think first we need a little magic. These are all my supplies I'm going to need for the video. Put this right here. One last thing. These are plenty of stamps. There's letters and there's numbers. Here are the trays. We got a pink and a red tray. Okay, let's start making. First, I think I'm going to make a sandwich. So get this box. I need a plate and bread and there. We also need is some scissors. There. That's all that we need. Giant part of the Mad Matter. There. And I think I need one of my molds from the box. Let's start making. First of all, you need to mash. I take the plate, mash it up like this. And at the back it says it never dries out. Okay, now I just need to cut this out with my scissors. The scissors don't come with the Mad Matter. I just got it from all of my other toys, because of course Mad Matter is a toy. Take out little extras. Here we go. Here's a beautiful watermelon. Put that there. Now, I think I'm going to make the strawberry. The strawberry right here. There it is, a strawberry. Put it right there. It's beautiful. Now I'm done with the watermelon, strawberry, and orange. I think now I'm going to make this one. Now I'm done with watermelon, strawberry, the orange, and this one. I think now I'm going to make the apple. I hope you try finding the Mad Matter. Okay, the question of the day is, what was the first fruit that I put on